Yesterday, Oklahoma City police detectives made an arrest in a homicide case, a homicide of a 4-month-old. It was back on May 2nd when officers were called to the 2500 block of Northwest 35th regarding a child that was deceased. When officers arrived at that residence, it was an apartment, arrived there that morning. They were told that EMS had already transported the child to Children's Hospital and the child had been pronounced dead. The medical examiner's office ultimately determined that the case was a homicide and the cause of death was blunt force trauma to the head. Yesterday morning, detectives from the Crimes Against Children Unit obtained an arrest warrant for murder in the first degree for Millie Jean Ware of Oklahoma City. Ms. Ware was interviewed at the Crimes Against Children Unit yesterday and ultimately placed under arrest and booked into the Oklahoma County Jail on the murder warrant.
It was a crime scene somewhere else. They did something to the baby. Nobody at this family knows. My mama don't know. It happened somewhere else. They brought it here, made this a crime scene. The people came over here. The people did the interviews on the spot. The little kids that was out here said, no, Millie Jean didn't do nothing. Millie Jean didn't sleep. When we came here, and I had my little nieces in there, I came in the morning, I woke everybody up, but I come in the door. I wake them halfway up, she halfway woke. After I come in, her sister come in behind me, Cherry's little sister come in behind me, asking she use the restroom. Mysteriously, 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. She came somewhere talking about can she use the restroom. Pull up in the car and stopped her talking about can she use the restroom. Let her use the restroom, I go back, I lay back down. She going back out the door, but instead of her leave out the door, she stopped, she peeking over at the baby. And so I couldn't, like, you can go ahead and leave out the house. What's the matter? And I locked the door. I go in the back room, my mama comes 2 minutes later. Devil, something wrong with this baby, I can't get him up. He's ice rock, freezing cold, dried up blood on his nose and stuff. I said, Mom, this baby's dead. I ran there and called 911. I said, this baby is dead.
What do you want people to know about your mom?
She's a good person. She raised all these people, kids. There's thousands and thousands of people that can tell you my mom was one of the goodest person in the world. She got a drinking problem. Everybody know that. Look on her past record, she had a drinking problem. So other than that, she's good though. She feed everybody. She feed the community. Everybody. She always pack, feed everybody, love everybody, take care of everybody's kid. She keep that same little boy for free all the time. They gonna bring him at 1:30 in the morning, throw $10 on her, and they never even give her no money. Throw $10 while she's laying there on the floor, drunk, sleep. They gonna bring and drop up her, covering up their scene. I talked to their father. He told me this a month ago. They tried to put it on my mama. I didn't believe. I told I ain't worried about that. The people smart enough to figure this out.